I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, the dedicated platform guiding you throughout for admissions into various courses, India, abroad, everywhere. And let me discuss with you now one query which maximum students are having in their mind. That sir, this semester is going to be online in IITs, majority IITs, and NITs are going to conduct this particular session, which is going to be online. Offline will not be there. So how it is going to impact the career options for us? Even IICs, NITI Bombay, IIT Bombay, IITs, NITs. So offline classes will not be there. It will be online stuff only for one semester at least as of now, which is declared. So how it is going to impact the career placements, and are we going to get scholarship or not? That is also there in the mind. What kind of learning we are going to have? So should we join or shouldn't we join? That is the basically query students are having in their mind. A news came in June at the end of the June that this first semester of all IITs are going to be online. So that is what they decided to keep safety and security of the students in mind. And there is no basically interaction going to be between professors and the students. Face-to-face interaction is not going to be there. And how it is going to impact it? Obviously to some students they may allow, like BTech MTech, so they may not permit, but PhD student can come to the campus if the situation permits, and they can go and go to the labs or something like that. So very less students, I mean per IIT 50 to 100 students they may permit. And those of you who may come to IITs also, they will be having their online classes from their hostel only. In some IITs, the hostels have been converted into these COVID care centers or something like that. They have created quarantine centers. They have created. So some hostels which are available, students can sit and prepare, go for online classes from there. But only very less students, those who are not having internet facility at their place. So how it is going to impact? First question: is scholarship going to be given in MTech, which normally is given? If you ask me, so far IITs have not declared anything, but if you ask me, chances are less, because that scholarship is for teaching assistantship, TA. Chances are less that you get scholarship. We are trying to ascertain it, ask this, but we have not got a satisfactory answer from any corner. So chance is less that you get the scholarship. So be mentally prepared for that. So suppose you spend 45,000 rupees and you have made a planning that I get scholarship and that will reduce my burden. So keep that thing in mind that it may not be there. That is number one. Number two, what about scholarship of PhD? As I told you, PhDs ko they can call. So again, that is not very clear. PhDs ko they can call, and if they call it, then scholarship can come. But again, that probability is 50-60% probability only. MTech mein to I believe chances are less. But for PhD, there is a chance they may get this particular thing. And after PhD, they may give chance to MS research students. But in my opinion, I think they will treat MS research and MTech equally. So they will not permit you. They may not allow you. That is number one. Now, as far as the studies is concerned, studies is going to be online only, not offline. So, sir, is it going to impact by knowledge or learning in a great extent? Answer is no. If you see earlier, we used to conduct GATE classes offline. We used to teach students GATE classes. Now we are giving videos, recorded videos. So students are in a position to make up it up. Students are learning from there also. So I believe there will not be that kind of lab learning, which I'm saying. Lab learning will not be there. Lab and what experiments you do, that will not be there. But still, theoretical learning can be there for one semester. The moment situation is under control, they are going to ask you, call you, and they are to make it up, because it is a 2 years program. It is a 2 years program in which 1 year is for project. So don't you think IIT system can change that particular curriculum, and during that more offline classes can be there and projects where you can do then and there itself. So 2 years is a sufficient time period for any academic institute to inculcate in you all the learning which actually is to be done. So they can provide you that. Like NITI Bombay में many students are asking, sir NITI में placement होता है, कुछ 2-4 month के बाद placement हो जाता था, internship लग जाता है, तो अब तो लगेगा नहीं, तो should we join NITI or not? In my opinion, you should join. You should join. Why? Because everybody knows that. Everybody knows that this is the situation. It is not that the company will go to some another campus where offline classes are going on. It is not going to be like that. Nowhere offline classes are going on. So whatever is there, that is you are there. I mean, if they are to recruit students, they are to recruit from you only. एंड वट एवर लर्निंग डू यू थिंक फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में नहीं होगा, तो वो लर्निंग आपका अगले 3 सेमेस्टर में हो जाएगा. तो दैट दे कैन गो फॉर दैट. सो यू शुड नॉट डिसाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्लेसमेंट. Placement is after 2 years. Who knows, it will be boom that time. After the recession of 1 or 2 years, there will be boom, sudden, job market will open up. So you cannot sit at home thinking pessimist and not going for it. In my opinion, you should go for it. And but keeping in mind that yes, scholarship may not be given for that. And learning, you have to become more responsible. I tell you, when we used to take classes, gate classes and all, the student who used to be serious student, he used to learn there also, and he is learning now also. Sitting at home also he is preparing. The student who is not serious, he is not learning at home now, but serious student is still learning. So that means when online learning goes, then a responsibility to learn becomes that of the student. So you need to become more responsible now. Earlier there used to be attendance, professor used to check your attendance. Now even if you are not sitting, who checks that? And even if you are sitting, you are not attentive, who checks that? So online क्लासेस का सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ये है कि I cannot check, I cannot basically make you serious. Sincerely you are studying, that is your responsibility. But I believe you are grown up and you are to learn, you are to compete. So that problem cannot be there. That problem can be with the school kids. School kids are, small kids are there. They are doing only maja. They are not learning and much, but they are enjoying only. But yes, the student of your level, I don't think that problem should come. So you can learn into those domains. So you must join it, and no doubt it's going to be online. Nothing to worry. Go positive, join it, the courses, and start learning it. I hope I have made my point clear. Any doubt if you have, you can contact me on this number and we can discuss further. Thank you.